Chapter 3. Tools of Word Processor. Objective. Introduction. Selecting text. Thesaurus. Bold, italicize and underline the text. Bullets and numbering. Preview a document. Working with Word 2019. Undo and redo. Formatting a document. Line spacing. Take a hard copy of the document. Entering text in a document. Checking spelling and grammar. Fonts. Aligning the text. Paragraph spacing. Introduction. MS Word, or simply Word, is a word processing software which is developed by Microsoft. It is used to type, edit, format, save, and print the text. This software can be used to create documents like letters, reports, brochures, templates, forms, assignments, booklets, and business cards. You have learned about the basics of Word, like how to create a document in Word, entering text, selecting text, saving the document, etc. in the previous class. In this chapter, you will learn about some more functions that can be performed in Word. Working with Word 2019. To work in Word 2019, you need to open the Word application. Click on the Start button. Select the Word option. A window opens from which you need to select the blank document. A blank Word document appears on the screen named Document 1. Tech tip. To create a new document, go to File menu and press New option, or press Ctrl+N shortcut key. Entering text in a document. Any type of text can be entered in a document like numbers, letters, special characters, etc. When you open a new document, a cursor appears at the top left side of the working area. It is the place from where you can start typing. Now, type the text by pressing keys from the keyboard. To give space between words, use the spacebar key. To move to the next line, use the Enter key. Word also provides a word wrap feature in which the cursor automatically moves to the next line as you keep on typing the text. Open a Word document and type the following text. Tech tip. To save a new document, go to File menu and press Save as option, or press Ctrl+S shortcut key. Tech tip. A Word document is saved with an extension, Doc. Selecting text. To perform any type of editing or formatting on text, a text needs to be selected first. When you select the text, it becomes highlighted. You can perform any operation on the selected text, like delete, copy, move, find, replace, changing its color, font, size, etc. To select the text, place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Press the left mouse button and hold it. Now, drag the mouse over the text and the text will be highlighted. Then, release the mouse button. There are some other methods to perform selection which can be done by using the mouse and the keyboard as well. Selection methods using the mouse. Text method. To select the word, double-click on a word which you want to select. To select a sentence, press Ctrl+ left mouse click anywhere in sentence. To select a paragraph, triple-click anywhere in paragraph. To select the large block, click at the beginning of block. Press Shift key, hold it, and click at the end of block. Selection methods using the keyboard. Text method. One character, write to the cursor Shift plus right arrow key. 1 character left to the cursor. Shift plus left arrow key. A line below the cursor. Down arrow key. A line above the cursor. Shift plus up arrow key. From the beginning to cursor position. Shift plus home. From cursor position to the end of the line. Shift plus end. From the starting of the current document to the current Shift plus Control plus home. From the starting of the current document to the current cursor position. Shift plus Control plus N. To select the entire document, Shift plus A. Factoid. The shortcut key to undo is Control plus. The shortcut key to redo is Control plus Y. Undo and redo. MS Word has a very useful property that it keeps track of all the changes you do in Word. This property is useful in a case when you accidentally delete an important text from the document or you want to undo or redo any of the that you have made. Word has redo and undo commands to revert to the recently performed action you have done last. For this, two options can be used. Undo option is used to reverse the action of the last command. Redo is used to reverse the action of undo command. For example, suppose you have deleted one line accidentally. Pressing the undo button will reverse the action of the delete command, and you can see the deleted line back at the same position. Checking spelling and grammar. Word contains a built-in dictionary and a set of grammatical rules, which are used to check the spellings and grammatical errors when you type the text in a document. To indicate you about the mistakes you have made in typing the text is underlined with red or blue wavy lines. Red wavy lines represents the spelling mistakes and the blue wavy lines represents the grammatical errors. Example. Type the following text in Word and you will see some red and blue lines which indicate the spelling and grammatical mistakes respectively. To correct the mistakes, right-click on the word with wavy lines. It will display a list of suggestions. Select the correct suggestion and click the left button. The error will be replaced with the selected suggestion. Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a feature using which you can find the synonyms of a selected word. Select a word whose synonym you want to find. Click on the Review tab. Go to Proofing Group and select the Thesaurus option. The Thesaurus task pane appears to the right side of the screen, showing the synonyms for a selected word. To insert the synonym, move the mouse pointer over the suitable word and click on the drop-down arrow to the right side of the word. Now, click on the Insert option. You will see that the selected word is replaced with the inserted word. Type the following text in a document. Check and correct the spelling and grammatical errors from the document. Replace the word text messages with messages. Formatting a document. Formatting a document refers to the process of arranging and styling the content, layout, and appearance of a document to make it visually appealing, easy to read, and professional looking. This includes 1. Text formatting, changing font styles, sizes, colors, alignment, and spacing. 2. Paragraph formatting, adjusting indentation, line spacing, and paragraph alignment. 3. Page layout, setting margins, orientation, and page size. 4. Adding graphics and images, inserting pictures, charts, and other visual elements. 5. Using headings and styles, creating a document structure with headings, subheadings, and consistent formatting. 6. Creating lists and tables, organizing information with bullet points, numbered lists, and tables. By formatting a document in Word, you can improve readability and comprehension, enhance the overall appearance and professionalism, make the document more engaging and visually appealing, communicate information more effectively. Fonts. A font is a set of printable or displayable characters in a specific style and size. Word provides a wide range of font options such as Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, Cambria, Impact, etc. Changing font types. We can set any of the available fonts as the default font. Whatever you type, it will appear in the default font only. We can even change the font even after typing the text and then apply the required font type. Select the text. From the Home tab, go to Font Group and click on the arrow next to the font option. From the drop-down list, select the desired font and observe the change. Changing the font colors, the default black color of the text can be changed to any other color using Font Color option. Select the text. From the Home tab, go to Font Group and click on arrow next to Font Color option. From the drop-down list, select a color of your choice and it will be applied to the selected text. Changing font sizes. Select the text. From the Home tab, go to the Font Group and click on the arrow next to the Font Size option. From the drop-down list, select the size of your choice and see the effect. Bold, italicize and underline the text. Some words or sentences can be highlighted by changing their font styles. There are 3 font styles: bold, italic and underline. These styles can be used to change the text appearance by emphasizing them in some way. Bold will make the text darker than the rest of the text. Factoid. Press Ctrl+B to make the text bold. Italic. It will make the text italicized than the rest of the text. Factoid. Press Ctrl+I to italicize the text. Underline. It will add a line underneath the selected text. Factoid. Press Ctrl+U to underline the text. To apply the font styles, select the text. From the Home tab, go to Font Group and select any bold style according to your choice. Aligning the text. The alignment of the text is the position of the text on the document window. The alignment of the text can be changed to left, center, right, or justify. Alignment. Description. Left. The text will be placed to the left margin of the Word document. Ctrl+L. Center. The text will be placed to the center of the left and right margins of the Word document. Ctrl+R. Right. The text will be placed to the right margin of the Word document. Ctrl+E. Justify. The text will be placed evenly to the left and right margin of the Word document. Ctrl+J. To change the text alignment, select the text. From the Home tab, go to the Paragraph group and select any of the available alignment options and see the change. Bullets and numbering. You can create a list in a Word document and apply bullets or numbers to it. A bullet is a small graphic symbol and a number is a numeric digit. Word provides a bullets and numbering feature having different types of bullets and number styles that can be used while creating a list. Place the cursor at the position where a bullet or number is to be placed. Click on the Home tab. Go to Paragraph Group and click on the drop-down arrow of Bullets command or Numbering command. From the drop-down list, select any bullet/number by clicking it once. A selected bullet or number will be added at the cursor position. Now, type some text and press Enter key from the keyboard. You will notice that a bullet or a number will be appearing in the next line also. In this way, you can create a list. Line spacing. Line spacing is the space between the successive lines in a paragraph. The default spacing can be customized, increased or decreased according to the user's requirements. Select the paragraph. Click on Paragraph Settings button, which appears at the lower right corner of the paragraph group. A paragraph dialog box opens. Under the spacing section in the line spacing column, select any specific spacing from the list. Single sets lines of text together with no space between them. 1.5 lines sets 1.5 lines of blank space between lines of text. Double sets 2 lines of blank space between lines of text. Click on OK button. Moving the text. You can change the location of the text by removing it from its source and placing it to its new place. Changing the location of the text is called moving the text. This can be done by using Cut and Paste option. Cut option will make the text disappear from its source, and the Paste option will place the disappeared text to its new place. The object will not appear at its source location anymore, but it will appear at its destination location. Tech tip: the default spacing between lines is 1.08. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is used to set the space above or below paragraphs. Select the paragraph. From the Home tab, go to Paragraph Group and select the Paragraph Settings button. Click on Indents and Spacing tab. In Spacing section, set the values for before and after options to set the spacing between before and after the selected paragraph. Preview a document. After creating a document, if you want to take its print, it is always recommended to preview it before taking out its hard copy. The Print Preview feature is used to see how your document will look when you take its print. Click on File menu. From the menu list, select the Print option. A print window opens. On the right side of the window, you will get a preview of the document. If your document contains more than one page, you can click on arrow buttons which appear at the bottom of preview window to see the preview of the next pages. If you want to zoom the preview to have a close look of it, you can use the zoom slider that appears at the right bottom of the preview window. Tech tip: another method to set line and paragraph spacing is click on Home Paragraph. Group, Line and Paragraph Spacing drop-down arrow. Select the required value from list. Take a hard copy of the document. When you take a print of the document on a paper, it is called a hard copy. If you are fine with the preview of the document and you are ready to take its print, you can follow the given steps. Click on the File menu. From the menu list, select the Print option. A print window opens. Click on the Printer drop-down arrow and select the printer from the list. The Copies option is used to set the number of copies of a print. Now, go to Settings section. Click on the drop-down arrow of Print All Pages. A list appears with the following options. Print all pages. To print all pages in an entire document. Print selection. To print only selected text. Print current page. To print the currently opened page. Custom print. To print the specified range of pages. After making all the selections, click on Print button. A quick review. MS Word is a word processing software which is used to type, edit, format, save and print the text. Formatting can be done on the text, like change the size and color of the text, add styles, paragraph formatting, add headings, etc. Undo option is used to reverse the action of the last command, and redo is used to reverse the action of the undo command. Word contains a built-in dictionary and a set of grammatical rules which are used to check the spellings and grammatical errors in a document. Thesaurus is a feature using which you can find the synonyms of a selected word. The default type of the text can be changed to any of the available types like Arial, Arial Black, Calibri, Comic Sans, Times New Roman, etc. Some words or sentences can be highlighted by changing their font styles like bold, italic and underline. The alignment of the text is the position of the text in the document window. A bullet is a small graphic symbol and a number is a numeric digit. Line spacing is the space between the successive lines in a paragraph. Paragraph spacing is used to set the space above or below paragraphs. When you take a print of the document on a paper, it is called a hard copy.